In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use void pointers in C++ and the Witty library. Let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, I have a project in Komodo Edit called void pointers, and I have the source file open. Again, we need to make changes to the application. Change the Witty label to a Witty text, and let's get rid of this. And the first thing we want to do, I'll actually keep that like it is create a void pointer. And basically a void pointer is a pointer that can point to any data type. It can be simple data types or even data types that you create on your own. And in our case, we're going to create a void pointer that points to a char of 255 characters. So kind of like a C-style string. And from there, I want to create another pointer that's going to be of type char. And we actually want to use the void pointer, so we need to cast it. And you can see what I did there. I had a void pointer, and it points to a of type char, and now we just want to use that, so we cast from a void pointer to a char, and we did a simple cast, and now we can actually set the value. So I'm going to change this, my name, to actually my name, and as you can see, now that sets the char pointer to a value of Raphael. And then now what I want to do, I want to set the name of the application, and this is not necessary. Void pointers and casting. That's what we did here. And now what we want to do is actually display the value. So I'm going to access the application root widget, and we're going to add a widget, and we're going to dynamically create a Witty text, and it's going to have a value using a Witty string. Do some header tags. I'm going to add an argument because we have a. I'm going to add a place. I'm going to add a placeholder of my name, and then I'm going to actually add the actual placeholder, and then this is responsible to do, but it is not necessary to do for a small application like this. We're going to delete the pointer that we created, the char pointer. You don't have to, make sure I did that right. Added the extra parentheses. You don't have to delete this pointer, but because, since the application is so small, but it is a good practice. You actually do not need to destroy the void pointer because in reality it does not point to anything. So what we're going to do here now, is run CMake and compile. Cross our fingers. Hopefully it will compile. There we go. Alright, and let's run the application. Again, Windows prompts us. So we allow the web application. And let's see what happens when we refresh. And there you go. Again, a void pointer is nothing but a pointer that can point to any data type. So you can use it for any data type that you desire, whether it's a simple type or a type that you create yourself. But you as the programmer are responsible to make sure that it points to the correct data type. And that is it for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.